This is the automatically generated dashboard by Claude, and you can see this is the country breakdown. Hello everybody, my name is Gu, and I'm the founder of Adzviser. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to our Google Analytics connector to Claude via Adzviser MCP. Okay, this might not make a whole lot of sense to you, but I guarantee you this soon will. If you are a website owner who uses Google Analytics 4, you probably will find it a little bit difficult to build a report on the Google Analytics interface. But this connector that we have built for you is going to make it a lot easier with automatic dashboarding offered from Claude. Okay, so two things before we get into our live demo today. First of all, I want to show you how it is possible to do this. It's all due to the fact that Adzviser has been added as a custom integration to Claude, and we have previously made a video on how to do that exactly. So if you're interested, you can refer to that. Second thing, I want to briefly introduce you to our Google Analytics connector. Just like most of the other connectors offered in the marketplace, our Google Analytics connector also offers an array of metrics such as, active users, sessions, total users, as well as a list of breakdowns such as platform, session medium, device category, region, and then country and continent. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. Today, the prompt that we're going to use is this. Give me a country breakdown of the active users in the past 6 months. I intentionally left this prompt kind of vague and then concise, just so that I wanted to let the AI agent behind Claude to infer what I meant with this very short prompt. Okay, as you can see, now the data has been retrieved. No, actually not yet. It's still retrieving the data, and here you go. You can see that, hey, this is the data that we have retrieved from Adzviser MCP, and now we can ask Claude to build a dashboard for us. Build a dashboard for us based on the data retrieved. Okay, now it's engineering a data visualization dashboard within the same website, within the Claude interface. And we'll soon see this dashboard. Just wait slightly patiently, and we'll get to it in a second. Okay, here you go. This is the automatically generated dashboard by Claude, and you can see this is the country breakdown of our active users in the past 6 months. And here we go. Unfortunately, it does take slightly longer than I expected, but I think the result looks pretty good. And then considering the amount of effort that we put into this, I'm pretty sure that Claude is going to make this whole process a lot faster in the future. Okay, this will wrap up our live demo with our Google Analytics connector to Claude. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.